I love a LaCroix this time of morning. You know what I mean?
Is it still morning?
No. Clearly afternoon, and I clearly have a Casamigos and club soda.
I'm not an alcoholic.
If these French fries come out amazing, Jason, I will buy you
a Rolex.
What?
Bitch, what?
I will buy you 2 cases of Truly iced tea.
Ooh.
If they don't, you owe me a Rolex.
What?
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Bobby Boyd Living. Today's one of those days where we don't know what's going to happen. I love French fries. Who doesn't?
French fry.
Currently, down 5 pounds on my low-carb keto journey.
Hi, fatty.
Either way, I say all of that hot air because Jason's like, you should make keto French fries. And I said, hold the front door, what'd you say? So I got this recipe from Low Carb Love, which I like because she would add the freshly grated Parmesan cheese, which this is not. Sorry, Rachel. So I'm gonna make keto French fries. We're gonna do animal style, right, Jason?
Yeah.
It was 50 grams of coconut flour, 3 teaspoons of xanthan gum, 1/3 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, poured all in one. That was the coconut flour. This is the xanthan gum. This is the 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. You need 7.5 tablespoons of boiling water. So you add your 7.5 tablespoons of boiling water. So that's next as much as I think it's gonna get. And then you have to use your hands, which are freshly clean and washed and all of that. Make your ball. Pretend you're Derek Jeter on the New York Yankees, right?
The team, go sports!
Can you just explain what's going on here?
Thank you, I have no idea.
Cover it, hello gorgeous. And you let it sit for 15 minutes. And I guess we can make the secret sauce. We'll chop the onions. All right, so we got our chopped onions. We should start making the sauce. So I did 1 tablespoon of pickle relish, a teaspoon of distilled white vinegar, tablespoon of the no sugar added ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then we just chopped up a little onion for our liking. So far, we're killing the game, right? So far, we are killing the game. Sauce, so we're gonna move this out of the way. We got our dough. So when you take out your dough ball, much like a smash burger, so we are gonna heat up our oil. So medium to low heat. Because it's our first time and we only have this dough, I'm going to just put in 2. I mean, this is how I would like them. I'm only nervous because I'm like, what if...
They're not cooked on the inside?
Yeah.
Guess you're gonna have to do a sample.
Oh, like Costco.
Costco!
Costco stopped doing that since COVID.
Why, God? I mean, they're like, should we have breakfast before we go to Costco? No, I'm gonna have breakfast on aisle 8, thank you. We test these at the end of the video, but smells good, feels like a French fry. Okay, crunchy, yeah. It's not bad. I'm not mad at this. Thanks, Low Carb Love. Look at those little swimmers. Salt it, Salt Bay. I think because these are not potatoes, I need to really salt them up. Animal style. Sauteing the onions for the animal style French fries. Ooh, animal style fries. Then you take your secret sauce, right? I'm gonna do the little low carb ketchup. It's time to taste it. Oh, hold on.
Diet Coke?
Yeah. So we're gonna try the animal style one. The fry itself is good. It's crunchy, it's salty, cooked all the way through. Let's take one of these beautiful things and my spicy truffle ketchup. Yep. Ooh, this is so good to make your tongue smack your eyeballs, okay? If you're on keto, this tastes like a French fry. It really does. I do think if you're on this low carb, trying to like, we're all opening up again, I guess, that's what I keep hearing. And you want to lose that pandemic weight, this is a cool option. I really like this. So I would say this was on par with how we did the low carb macaroni and cheese with the cauliflower, how that really tasted like macaroni and cheese. This really does taste like a French fry. I can make a cheeseburger, wrap that in my 3 net carb tortilla, you know, like the 4-layer wrap that we did. With this, a serving of this is 2 net carbs. I urge you to try this recipe if you are on your low carb journey. So if you enjoyed yourself, hit the like button, comment so we can chat, and ring the bell for notifications so you can see the next Bobby Boy Living recipe. I appreciate ya. I love you mucho. Y'all stay safe, you hear? Okay, love you. Actually, I'm going into my living room to eat this and live my best life. Bye.